Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. It's Homesteading with Sadie. So in this video, I'm going to show you the rest of the meals that we cooked. Not all of them, but some of the meals that we cooked from out of our freezer. The previous video that I posted, if you haven't seen it yet, go ahead and go back and watch that. And it's just me talking about how we needed to clean out the food in the freezer. So while you're watching that video, I'm going to cook the final meal, and then I'll show you that and come back to you at the end. All right, so I have 4 chicken breasts. I didn't have cream of mushroom, but I had cream of chicken, and I had a jar of mushrooms. I'm gonna mix it all in this casserole dish. I don't know if this is a recipe or not, but I'm trying to use up all the stuff in my freezer, in my pantry. I'm gonna cook it in the oven for 350 until it reaches temperature. And then I think I'll cook some noodles with it. So I chose bow tie pasta, and I cut up an avocado for my green piece of the meal, and it was actually quite delicious. Oh, there's only 3 breasts in there?
That's all who's in there.
And you seasoned them with what?
Garlic ranch. Or no, Parmesan ranch.
You make sandwiches?
I think we'll shred them and make sandwiches. With fresh onion. Or do you want sauteed onion?
Oh, I'll go saute some. I'll go cut some onions out. All right, for this meal, we went ahead and shredded up the chicken and the sauteed onions, and we made a really delicious sandwich out of this with the potato bread and a glass of milk. And then I added pretzels to my dish because I have to have just another flavor. All right, so I took the turkey out yesterday. It's still pretty frozen, but I'm going to go ahead. Hopefully it doesn't taste freezer burnt. I'm going to go ahead and make turkey tacos with it. So let's do that. So here I am and chopping up the turkey until it's all cooked, and adding my taco seasoning mix here. Got all my ingredients out. I love this little Ninja oven. It bakes and air fries. It does all kinds of things, and it's very convenient to have. So I got all my ingredients, put my tacos together, and there you go. These were the turkey tacos. Didn't show cooking these, but we just fried up some pork chops and made some macaroni and cheese, and it was absolutely delicious. This meal is one of Bob's favorite meals, and it's going to be with ground sausage. I'm going to brown this up. All right, so after I finished browning the sausage, I forgot that I should have been cooking it with an onion. So I need to cut up an onion, add some garlic and some red pepper flakes to my mixture, and then I'll let that simmer on the stove for a little while. Okay, so I got all that cooking. I'm going to cook some penne pasta. I'm going to add 2 cups of whipped cream to the sausage, and then the Parmesan, I'm going to add it to the sausage. You're supposed to add spinach too, but I don't have any spinach, so we're just going to do it out the green. And I'll show you what the meal looks like here in just a minute.
Smells good.
All right, everybody, thank you for watching this video. Leave a comment below. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the bell for notifications. And we'll see you again on the next video. Bye.